Tired of wrestling with tangled cords and bulky vacuums? Say goodbye to cleaning frustration and hello to cordless freedom. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of cordless stick vacuums to bring you the best options for effortless cleaning in this year based on our extensive online research and analysis of user reviews and expert opinions. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're cutting the cord and embracing the future of cleaning with the best cordless vacuum cleaners on the market. Whether you're battling pet hair, tackling tough messes, or just looking for a quick and easy way to keep your home spotless, we've got the perfect vacuum cleaner for you. We'll be exploring top contenders like the Dyson Gen5detect, the Shark IZ462, the Samsung Jet75 Pet, and more. We'll break down their features, pros, and cons based on what users and experts are saying so you can find the perfect cordless companion for your cleaning needs. So ditch those cords and get ready to experience the freedom and efficiency of cordless cleaning. Let's dive into our top picks. You can find the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Kicking off our list at number 6 is the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel Evolve Pet. This cordless stick vacuum is a fantastic choice for pet owners who are looking for a versatile and powerful cleaning solution. Based on user reviews, the WindTunnel Evolve Pet offers impressive suction power, effectively cleaning up pet hair, dirt, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. And with its lightweight design, users report that it's incredibly easy to maneuver and carry around, even up and down stairs. This makes it a great option for those who find traditional vacuums cumbersome or have limited mobility. The WindTunnel Evolve Pet also comes with a variety of attachments, including a pet tool that's specifically designed to tackle embedded pet hair. Pet owners rave about how well this tool tackles pet hair on upholstery and stairs. And to ensure that you're capturing all those allergens, the WindTunnel Evolve Pet has a multi-cyclonic dust cup that separates dirt and debris from the air, keeping the suction strong and preventing clogs. It also has a washable filter that helps to trap allergens and keep your home clean and healthy. However, some users have pointed out that the WindTunnel Evolve Pet is not the quietest cordless vacuum on the market. But if you're looking for a powerful and versatile cordless stick vacuum that can handle pet hair and other messes with ease, the Hoover ONEPWR WindTunnel Evolve Pet is a fantastic option based on what we've seen online. Coming in at number 5 is the Bissell CleanView XR Pet. This cordless stick vacuum is a great choice for those who prioritize powerful suction and a long runtime. Based on user reviews, the CleanView XR Pet offers impressive cleaning performance on both carpets and hard floors, effectively removing dirt, dust, and pet hair. And with its long battery life, you can clean your entire home on a single charge. This is a huge plus for those who have larger homes or don't want to be interrupted by frequent charging breaks. The CleanView XR Pet also comes with a specialized pet hair tool that's designed to tackle embedded pet hair on upholstery and stairs. And with its tangle-free brush roll, you don't have to worry about hair getting wrapped around the brush roll and clogging the vacuum. This cordless vacuum cleaner also features a lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver and carry around. And with its easy-to-empty dust cup, you can quickly and hygienically dispose of dirt and debris. However, some users have mentioned that the CleanView XR Pet is not the quietest cordless vacuum on the market. But if you're looking for a powerful and long-lasting cordless stick vacuum that can handle pet hair and other messes with ease, the Bissell CleanView XR Pet is a great option, based on our online research. At number 4, we have the Tineco Pure1 S15 Pet. This cordless stick vacuum is a great choice for those who want a smart and efficient cleaning experience. It features Tineco's iLoop dust sensor, which automatically adjusts the suction power based on the amount of dirt it detects. This not only ensures that you're always cleaning at the optimal level, but also helps to conserve battery life. The S15 Pet also has a smart display that shows you real-time information about your cleaning performance, including the amount of dirt detected, the remaining battery life, and filter status. This makes it easy to monitor the vacuum's performance and maintain it properly. This cordless vacuum cleaner also boasts a lightweight design and a quiet operation, making it a pleasure to use even for extended cleaning sessions. And with its HEPA filtration system, it captures 99.9% of allergens, making it a good choice for allergy sufferers. However, some users have mentioned that the Tineco Pure1 S15 Pet is a bit on the pricey side. But if you're looking for a smart and efficient cordless stick vacuum with quiet operation and advanced features, the Tineco Pure 1S15 Pet is a great option based on our online findings. Coming in at number 3 is the Samsung Jet5 Pet. This cordless stick vacuum is a fantastic choice for pet owners who are looking for a lightweight and powerful cleaning solution. Based on user reviews, the Jet5 Pet offers impressive suction power, effectively cleaning up pet hair, dirt, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. And with its lightweight design, it's incredibly easy to maneuver and carry around, even up and down stairs. This makes it a great option for those who find traditional vacuums cumbersome or have limited mobility. The Jet5 Pet also comes with a variety of attachments, including a pet tool that's specifically designed to tackle embedded pet hair. Pet owners rave about how well this tool tackles pet hair on upholstery and stairs. And to ensure that you're capturing all those allergens, the Jet5 Pet has a 5-layer HEPA filtration system that traps 99.9% of microdust. This makes it a popular choice for allergy sufferers, according to online reviews. It also has a long-lasting battery that provides up to 60 minutes of runtime, which is plenty for most cleaning tasks. However, some users have pointed out that the Jet5 Pet is not the best choice for homes with a lot of carpets. It's definitely optimized for hard floors, but if you're looking for a lightweight, powerful, and pet-friendly cordless stick vacuum for your hard floors, the Samsung Jet5 Pet is a fantastic option, based on what we've seen online. At number 2, we have the Shark IZ462. This cordless stick vacuum is a true cleaning powerhouse, offering exceptional performance on both carpets and hard floors. It features Shark's Duo Clean PowerFins Hair Pro system, which combines 2 brush rolls to dig deep into carpets and directly engage hard floors, removing dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. And with its self-cleaning brush roll, you don't have to worry about hair getting tangled around the brush roll and clogging the vacuum. This is a huge time saver and ensures that your vacuum is always performing at its best. The IZ462 also features powerful suction and a completely sealed HEPA filtration system that traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, keeping your home clean and healthy. And with its lightweight design and flexible wand, it's easy to maneuver under furniture and around obstacles. However, some users have mentioned that the IZ462 is a bit on the pricey side. But if you're looking for a powerful and efficient cordless stick vacuum with a self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration, the Shark IZ462 is a great option, based on our online research. And finally, our top pick for the best cordless vacuum overall is the Dyson Gen5detect Absolute. This vacuum is in a class of its own, combining powerful suction, intelligent technology, and a long runtime to deliver a truly deep and efficient clean. It features Dyson's most powerful motor yet, generating incredible suction to capture even the most microscopic dust particles. But what really sets this vacuum apart is its intelligent technology. It has a built-in LCD screen that shows you exactly what you're picking up in real time. You can see the size and quantity of dust particles, giving you scientific proof of a deep clean. It also has a fluffy optic cleaner head that uses a precisely angled laser to illuminate hidden dust, making it easier to spot and remove dirt you might otherwise miss. And with its detangling technology, you don't have to worry about hair getting tangled around the brush roll. The Gen5detect Absolute also boasts an impressive 70-minute runtime, which is the longest of any Dyson cordless vacuum. This means you can clean your entire home without having to stop and recharge. And with its lightweight design and versatile attachments, it's easy to maneuver and use for a variety of cleaning tasks. Overall, the Dyson Gen5detect Absolute is the ultimate cordless cleaning experience, according to online reviews and expert opinions. It combines powerful suction, intelligent technology, and a long runtime to deliver a truly deep and efficient clean. If you're looking for the best of the best, and don't mind the premium price tag, the Gen5detect Absolute is the way to go. And there you have it, our top picks for the best cordless vacuums to keep your home sparkling clean this year. Whether you're a cleaning enthusiast or just looking for a quick and easy way to tackle everyday messes, there's a perfect cordless vacuum out there for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information on each of these awesome cordless vacuums. And be sure to let us know in the comments which one is your favorite, or if you have any other cordless vacuum recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips and product reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our latest content. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!